If you're having trouble positioning the mold and closing it properly, this may be mainly due to the pronounced side folds. This definitely makes your mold look crooked and poorly positioned. To solve it, you must locate your zero growth zones and locate the distance from one to the other. This will allow you to size 50% of this distance, achieving the depth and shape of cut you need to make. Practically, it would look something like this. It is important that the sculptural form you use has good adhesive and stability. The main characteristic of the sculptural aluminum nail form from legacy nails. Being rigid and containing aluminum in its paper folds, it will take the shape you want to give it and will remain strong in the structuring process that you decide to do.